Hi, and welcome to this weekend's haul video. I'm going to share with you my haul for my So Sweet to Be 3 thrifting challenge projects. Let's get started. Before I share my haul with you, sometimes I like to share some tips and tricks or different interesting things I found while I'm out thrifting. But today I thought I would talk about sharing your pre-loved items that you already have that you need to or want to get rid of. So the first thing I like to do is to gather all the items I no longer want, to declutter my house. So what I like to do is grab a calendar and just write down a space in your home that you want to organize and declutter and put it on each day. Some spaces might take more than one day, so just keep that in mind when you fill out your calendar. And then find a space in your home to hold your pre-loved items until you are ready to share them. When you are ready to share your pre-loved items, some places I like to do so are online retail stores like Poshmark. You can list your items and then they will notify you when it sells. And they will give you like a printout for your postage, and they take a percentage of your sale. Other option is a local consignment store. I think of half-price books when I think of this. I'll take my books up there, and then they'll look through the books and then tell me how much money they'll give me for the books I'm dropping off. And then they keep the books and resell them, and I get a little cash back for that. Another option is to host a swap with your friends. Maybe you guys have a theme like Christmas decorations and everybody brings their decorations and swaps them, and you can have a little party, which would be fun. Another option is a garage sale. That kind of takes some time to set up and tear down, but I always enjoy afterwards. It's kind of like, okay, I've gotten rid of some stuff and I got a little money out of it. Another place I like to post things is Facebook Marketplace, and I also really like to donate because somebody could use my stuff rather than putting it in a landfill. And so these are the places that I like to share my pre-loved items. If you have any other places or ways you like to do so, please let me know in the comments down below. Here is my haul for this weekend's special thrifting challenge, So Sweet to Be 3, and this is what I got. So in a previous haul I shared with you this set of 3 boxes I have, and they were painted this yellow color, and I'll have to go back and look at the video to see how much this cost. But originally from Hobby Lobby, just this box alone was $12.99. But this, I've already done 2 coats on the inside, and so I think 2 coats will work. I'm using a paint color called Green Gray. And then I still need to do the second coat on the outside and do that with the other 2 boxes. So I have that. I also have a seed packet wildflower blend pollinator that I'm going to use to make my seed bombs with. Always check garage sales for seeds. Maybe they have them at their stores, but I do feel like I see this quite often at garage sales. Next, I have these 3 frames. They were $4.92 a piece, but these I want to use for my set of 3. This side's actually a little deeper, so I'll probably use this side. But my goal is to use this green fabric as the background. And then I'm going to put my needle felted bees on top of that. And this green shirt is something I've thrifted a long time ago because I just saw it and I like the fabric. I buy them in like extra large or bigger, and that just gives me more options, things I can do with a clothing item. So I'm going to use that for the set of 3. I used this yellow, did I use it? Yes, I used this in the garden party video. This was a twin sheet, and I made a placemat with it. And so this I'm going to use to wrap my seed bombs in because it's a nice little yellow that reminds me of bees. So I'm going to use that for that. And then here is some fabric, a thrifted shirt I've already used in the fall time for a project. And I just like the stripes of this one, and the colors I think go well with the other colors I have going on. And so I'm going to use this striped fabric for my first prompt. So there you have it. I think the color palette is nice. I think everything should go together. I'm excited to do this little project. I hope you guys are excited too. And I will see you guys in the next video when I share my completed projects. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.